Hello again, Rainbows and Brownies. Now for our next experiment, we're going to see if we can make metal, like this 2p coin here, float by using more metal. If I drop a 2p coin into the water, then it sinks. So what can I do? We all know that metal is heavy. So what can we do to make it float? Well, if you have a look at ships, then they're made of metal. So maybe if we make ourselves a boat, then we can allow the 2p coin to float. So for this, you're going to need your aluminium or kitchen foil. Cut yourself off a rectangle. And now all you need to do is make that into a boat. I spent about 5 seconds making mine, so it's not a very good boat. So hopefully you'll be able to see better than mine. But let's test it out. If I put my boat in the water, then it floats. And if I put the 2p coin in it, my boat doesn't sink. Partly this is because the weight is spread out across the boat. So how much weight can my boat support? Let's test it out. Now you can use whatever you like to weigh those down, but I'm going to use these baking beans that I use when I'm cooking pastry. So let's see how many of these I can fit in. Oh, see my boat's starting to get lower in the water. This is due to something called density. Before, my boat just had lots of air. And overall, the density of my boat was less than the density of the water. Because the water is made up of lots of different molecules quite close together. Now as I'm adding more and more of these beans, my boat is getting lower in the water. That's because its density is increasing. Now when it's about halfway down, its density is starting to match that of the water. I want to add these more slowly now, so the moment that it starts to sink, I know that's how much that my boat could support. Oh, there we go. The water's just starting to get in through the side there. So I'm going to take out my boat. I want to find out how much weight my boat managed to support. So I've got my kitchen scales. And let's see. I'll turn these on. And let's see how much these weighed. Dropped a few. I don't know if you can read that, but my boat supported 360 grams. So your challenge, see if you can beat my target and write down what your boat supported. See you later.